In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in monday.com. Let's get started by logging into monday.com. Once you're in, navigate to the specific workspace where you want your dashboard to reside. This workspace is essentially the hub for your team's projects and tasks, and housing the dashboard here can ensure seamless access and collaboration. Next, on the left sidebar, you'll see the plus add button. Give that a click. From the options that appear, choose New Dashboard. This is where you'll start the process of customizing your dashboard to visualize the data that matters most to you and your team. Now it's time to name your dashboard. This name should be clear and reflective of the kind of information you'll be tracking with it. You might choose something like Team Overview if it covers broad project metrics, marketing KPIs for marketing-focused data, or Personal Productivity Hub if it's filled with your personal milestones. Deciding on the visibility of your dashboard is equally important. You'll want to select whether this dashboard will be private, shareable, or main. This choice determines who on your team can view and interact with the dashboard, so choose based on your data sharing needs. Dashboards in monday.com are composed of widgets, which are the building blocks for displaying your data. Click on plus add widget to start populating your dashboard. There is a variety of widgets to choose from, each serving a unique purpose. For instance, the chart widget is perfect for visualizing progress and KPIs, while the battery widget allows you to track task status. A calendar widget can be utilized to view deadlines and important dates at a glance, whereas a numbers widget is ideal for monitoring financials or sales figures. You might opt for a table widget to display rows of data from connected boards, or a workload widget to balance team assignments and manage capacity. Once you've added a widget, you'll need to connect it to your boards. Monday.com will prompt you to do this so the widget can effectively display the information you need. You can select one or multiple boards depending on the scope of data you're aiming to encompass. After connecting your boards, it's time to dive into widget settings for further customization. You can tweak filters to highlight just the data you want, such as tasks, due this week, or high priority items. Consider adjusting colors, choosing different chart types, or setting up groupings to make the dashboard intuitive and visually appealing. Finally, take a moment to organize the layout of your new dashboard. This is as simple as dragging and dropping the widgets to positions that make sense for how you and your team work. Don't forget, you can resize them to improve visibility and make sure all critical data stands out. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll have a fully functional, visually compelling dashboard on monday.com that aligns perfectly with your team's productivity goals. Thank you for watching.